Hey everyone! Welcome back to our Kitchen Faucet channel, where we explore the latest and greatest for troubleshooting and improving your home kitchen. Today we are going to talk about something that may seem simple, but can actually be quite difficult: install a kitchen sink drain. It is a task that many people take on themselves, and while this is certainly possible, there are some common mistakes that can make the process much more frustrating than it needs. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. Stay updated with all our latest home improvement tips. Let's start. Are you looking to upgrade your kitchen sink by installing a new drain system? Follow these step-by-step instructions to successfully install a kitchen sink drain. Materials needed: new kitchen sink drain kit, plumber's putty, PVC pipe cutter, adjustable wrench, pipe joint compound, screwdriver, bucket, towels, safety goggles, gloves. Step 1. Remove the old drain. Start by turning off the water supply to your sink. Place a bucket under the sink to catch any water. Loosen the nuts connecting the P-trap to the drain pipe, then remove the P-trap. Use a wrench to loosen the nut connecting the drain pipe to the sink strainer. Remove the old drain by detaching it from the sink. Step 2. Install the new drain. Clean the area around the sink opening to remove any old putty or debris. Roll a small amount of plumber's putty into a rope and place it around the underside of the new sink drain. Insert the new drain into the sink opening and tighten the nut from below to secure it in place. Wipe away any excess putty that squeezes out around the drain. Step 3. Connect the drain pipe. Measure and cut the PVC pipe to fit the distance between the sink drain and the existing plumbing. Use a pipe cutter to make clean, straight cuts on the PVC pipe. Apply pipe joint compound to the threads of each connection. Connect the new drain pipe to the existing plumbing using the appropriate fittings and tighten all connections with a wrench. Reattach the P-trap to the new drain pipe using the nuts provided. Step 4. Test the drain. Turn on the water supply and check for any leaks around the new drain and connections. If you notice any leaks, tighten the connections as needed. Run water through the sink to ensure proper drainage. By following these steps, you can successfully install a kitchen sink drain and upgrade the functionality of your kitchen sink. Remember to always follow safety precautions and consult a professional if you encounter any difficulties during the installation process. Well, that's a wrap for today's tutorial on how to install a kitchen sink drain. Remember, maintaining your faucet not only improves the water quality but also extends the life of your plumbing fixtures. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and share it with your friends for more DIY tips and tricks.